Hey guys, welcome in my YouTube channel. I always review new plan. Today's plan came with unique concept. Everyone will gain income working and non-working. This company do trading in forex in market. This company get income from trading and it will be divided to investor. Guys, as you know about Bitcoin, it can be used in every country. So guys, everyone can join and earn large chunk of money by this concept, and by the trading can get more income. So guys, if you want to know daily new plans, then please subscribe, like and share to more people. Name of the company is BTC Alliance and its website www.btcalliance.co. When you will visit this site, so you can get informations about the company. This company started from New York and it is running in worldwide, which is trading in cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, IT sector. It have experience of global finance market. Friends, currently 50 professionals with long year experience in financial industry. Now I'll tell you about joining packages. Here minimum $50 and maximum $2,000. Guys, here you can get 2.5% return weekly in every packages. Everyone can get 220% return in every packages. Guys, according to your packages, you will get capping. If you will join with $100, then your capping will be $100. Similarly, if you want to join $100, then capping which will you get $200. Next one, $200 packages, then capping $400. Guys, if you will join with $300, then your capping will be $600. Next one, if you will join with $500, $1,000 or $2,000, then your capping will be $1,000. Friends, this plan is designed with unique way like you can see here. If you will get 5 times of your packages, therefore you have need of retop up your ID. Friends, one thing is that you have to pay $20 extra with joining. This income will be extract for club income. Nextly, I'll tell you about types of income. First, sponsor income. Second one, matching income. Third one, club income A. Fourth is club income B. Next one, ROI income. Lastly, reward income. Firstly, I'll tell you about sponsor income, in which if you will give direct, then per person income will be 7%. You can give unlimited direct. Nextly, I would like to tell you about binary bonus, in which you will get binary bonus 7%, but this income will get by one left and one right matching pair compulsory. Third one is club income A. Here company will extract $10 for club income. Guys, in which you will have to do left and right matching mean 2 direct within 7 days, then you will eligible for taking club income A. Next one is club income B. Friends who will complete $500 or above, then you will eligible for taking club income B. For example, if this company get total business $1,000, then who have 4 achievers, so every member will get $250 by the club B. Nextly, I'll tell you about reward. If anyone effort with the company, mean anyone do matching $10,000, then this can take advantages of Thailand trip. Its time period of 31 December. Further, I talk about terms and conditions of the company, which is most important. You can take minimum withdrawal $10 and here admin charge will be deduct 5%. Next one, club charge will be deduct 5%. So guys, 2.5% club income A and 2.5% club income B. You can join with the company with Gateway, BTC, Tron, LTC and Ethereum. Every Sunday withdrawal will be released. Friends, you can see in this video, every person can take income by non-working and working. Guys, this company plan designed with different method. So hurry up for join. If you have to join with the company, check description box in which call and WhatsApp number are given. Friends, now we meet in next video with new plan. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.